Bring your model to life with MCV products. Visit them on the World Wide Web at mcvproducts.net. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Amanda and I are in Greenville, Tennessee for the Appalachian Scale Modeler Show tomorrow, the 6th, and we are really looking forward to it. We're at the Host Hotel tonight, and Wes, who is one of the sponsors of the show with Wes's Model Car Corner, had a hospitality room, and let me tell you, we had an absolute blast. A lot of laughing, a lot of bench racing, a lot of stories. And it was always, as always, great to meet up with a lot of old friends, meet some new ones, and there was a lot of surprises. As you can see in the video and some of the stills here, we really had a good time. There were some folks, well, the thing was from 6 to 9, and we had a few folks coming in and out that were locals as well as others that wanted to get a good night's rest. But overall, it was just absolutely great time. Big kudos to Wes and Lisa for the drinks and the snacks, and just had an awesome time. And you know, guys, this is what it's all about. For me, it's always been about people that just enjoy this hobby and have a great time with it. Just sharing those stories and reminiscing, talking about what we brought to the show and upcoming shows and just all kinds of great stuff. If you can ever make it to one of these get-togethers before the show, because sometimes when I'm doing stuff at the show, whether it's filming or it just goes by so fast, you don't get time to visit with folks, but to have all this time to sit down and catch up with everyone is just, it's really a great time. And I encourage you to jump in and do that. I look forward to this in Atlanta Friday night and Saturday night every year. But again, Wes, thank you so much for hosting this. This was just an awesome time. Guys, hopefully I'll see some of you on the 6th tomorrow at the show. If you do, be sure you step over and say hi. Guys, God bless. See you in that next video, and hopefully see you tomorrow. Later, guys.